First up, retinol.
I mean, we started with the best, right? So 10 plus, retinol is the #1 proven anti-aging ingredient. It's also great for acne treatment because it makes our skin cells turn over faster.
Great. Vitamin C.
Vitamin C, I'd also give that a 10. Vitamin C is the most powerful antioxidant that we know of right now, so it's essential in your morning routine every day.
Benzoyl peroxide.
Benzoyl peroxide, I'm gonna give probably like an 8, only because it's a very powerful anti-inflammatory, anti-acne ingredient for both papules and comedones in acne. The only reason I'd give it an 8 and not a 10 is because it can bleach your sheets and some people get irritated by it.
Beef tallow.
Beef tallow. See previous video about my opinion on beef tallow. 0.
Peptides.
Peptides I'd give about probably a 6. So peptides are important in terms of, being protein building blocks and are great for firming the skin. However, it's about what kind of peptides you're getting. So that's the key. You want to stick to something that's proven in medical grade. There's a lot of, skincare products out there that say peptides and there's really nothing in it.
Hyaluronic acid.
Hyaluronic acid, I'm going to give a 9 because it's such a powerful humectant. And what that means is hyaluronic acid is actually found in our own skin. And it helps to trap moisture, keep moisture in the skin. So putting it on topically can increase that, especially for people who are dry. Now, again, the only reason I don't give it a 10 is because there's a lot of HAs out there on the market that are just not really, powerful enough in terms of what they're doing, and they just sit on top of the skin.
Snail mucin.
Snail mucin. I've talked about this in a previous video. I'm gonna give it like a 4. There have been some studies that have shown that, does have some anti-inflammatory effects, anti-aging, can help to increase collagen a bit. But the problem is there's just so many other more powerful, effective, proven ingredients that you don't need to put snail mucin on your face.
Niacinamide.
Niacinamide, I'm gonna give a 9. Niacinamide, you're seeing it in everything these days. It's an antioxidant, it's anti-inflammatory. It also is a healer of the skin. So you're gonna see niacinamide in pretty much every skincare product going forward, I think.
Lactic acid.
Lactic acid, well, I'll give that like a 7 because maybe a 7 or 8 depending. I love it, it's a powerful, mildly powerful AHA. In terms of alpha hydroxy acid, which helps to exfoliate the skin. And the nice thing about it is it's one of those that can be used in pregnant women totally safely. So I always recommend lactic acid peels and products for my pregnant patients. Exosomes. I'm gonna give exosomes an 8. I'm a huge fan in terms of exosomes being vesicles that are gonna feed growth factors and stuff to our skin. It's the new thing. We love plated here at Nichols MD. I would only give it an 8 because, there's just so much more to learn about exosomes. So soon, hopefully in the next few years, it'll get a 10.
Bee venom.
Bee venom. I don't know a ton about bee venom, but I would give it probably like a 4. It's one of those things where it is anti-inflammatory. You can see it in a lot of these lip plumpers because it kind of helps to plump the skin. Problem is, some people are allergic to bee venom. And so if they put this stuff on, they can literally go into anaphylaxis. So just be careful.
Last but certainly not least, SPF.
SPF 10 plus, 10 plus, 10 plus. I need not say more.